All right, welcome to today's lesson on translating verbal phrases into algebraic expressions. Here we've got a chart of all of our four main operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and phrases underneath that mean those words. So addition, we know, is our plus sign. Subtraction, we're going to use our minus sign. With multiplication, we can either use parentheses or that dot. And division, use our division symbol or just the line, okay, with a number on top and the numerator, a number on top on the bottom. So here are some key words. And just remember, we're going to use a variable, all right, x, to represent when they use the phrase a number. So just keep that in mind when we're doing these problems. So let's take a look at our first example. A number increased by -5. So here we go. There's that phrase, a number. So we're just going to put x there. Increased by. All right, let's see where we can find that phrase. Here it is underneath addition, increased by. So I'm going to put a plus sign and then -5. So we can put parentheses -5, or you can just write it as x minus 5. Because plus and negative, it just really just is subtraction. All right, next one, the product of -7 and a number. So the product of, okay, we know that if we look up at our chart, that's going to be under multiplication. All right, a number, there's going to be x and -7. So we're just going to say -7 product. We can use the dot and -x, or product of -7 and a number times x, or I can just write it as -7 times x. All right, it's that simple. A number less 20. Okay, well, there's our phrase, a number. So we're not going to use x. Okay, less, that means subtraction, and then just the number 20. So x minus 20. Pretty straightforward. Do two more quick examples. Quotient. Okay, that word right there, the quotient of -18 and a number. Quotient, again, that means division. Okay, so -18 and a number. A number, that's going to be our x. So -18, we're going to be dividing. There's our x, -18 divided by x. You can write it like that, or you can write it as -18 over x. Okay, again, that's a symbol for division. Finally, a number subtracted from -2. Okay, we've got that phrase, a number, so we know we're going to have an x. All right, we've got our -2, and they tell us the word subtracted. This one's a little bit of an opposite. It's a number subtracted from -2. So we're going to have -2. That's going to kind of go over here. And then we're going to have our subtraction sign. And then the number will go over there. So that's going to be -2 minus x. That is our lesson on translating verbal phrases into expressions. All right, let's see how we